Restoring a classic engine is where vintage engineering meets modern precision. While older engines were built with simpler systems, today's advanced tools make it possible to restore them with greater accuracy, reliability, and performance, without losing their original character. The process begins with a detailed inspection. Every surface is examined for cracks, corrosion, and wear. Modern borescopes allow mechanics to look inside cylinders and valve areas without disassembly, while digital compression and leak-down tests reveal the true condition of the engine. Photographs and notes are taken to document every stage, preserving originality and helping during reassembly. Disassembly is done slowly and carefully. Modern electric impact tools with torque control prevent broken bolts, while induction heaters safely loosen seized fasteners without damaging surrounding metal. Each part is labeled and stored, often tracked digitally, ensuring nothing is misplaced during the rebuild. Cleaning is far more advanced than in the past. Ultrasonic cleaners remove decades of grime from small components like carburetors and oil passages. Media blasting using soda or walnut shells cleans engine blocks and heads without damaging original surfaces. These methods expose hidden flaws while protecting the integrity of classic parts. Precision measurement is where modern technology truly transforms restoration. Digital micrometers and laser alignment tools ensure crankshafts, camshafts, and cylinder bores meet exact tolerances. CNC machining allows engine blocks and heads to be resurfaced with accuracy far beyond original factory standards, resulting in smoother operation and longer engine life. Internal components are often subtly upgraded. Modern piston rings provide better sealing, improved bearing materials reduce friction, and computer-balanced rotating assemblies eliminate vibration. These upgrades are usually invisible, but significantly enhance reliability and durability. Fuel and ignition systems benefit greatly from modern solutions. Carburetors are rebuilt using modern seals, and electronic ignition systems replace traditional points while remaining hidden inside original housings. Some restorations even use discrete fuel injection systems designed to look period-correct, improving cold starts, throttle response, and efficiency. Reassembly is performed using digital torque wrenches and factory specifications stored on tablets or repair software. Modern gasket materials and sealants prevent oil and coolant leaks, ensuring a clean, long-lasting build. Every step is double-checked to maintain accuracy and authenticity. Before installation, the engine is tested on a stand or dyno. Modern sensors monitor oil pressure, air-fuel ratios, temperatures, and vibrations in real time. Controlled break-in procedures protect new components and confirm the engine is operating exactly as intended. Once installed, careful road testing follows. Fine adjustments to timing and fueling are made using modern diagnostic tools. The engine is monitored under real driving conditions to ensure smooth performance, proper cooling, and dependable power delivery. Restoring a classic engine with modern tools is not about changing its identity. It is about preserving history while using today's technology to make that history reliable and enjoyable. The result is an engine that looks original, runs better than new, and is ready for many more years on the road.